Welcome to Romanovsky Law. For over 20 years, we have been helping individuals and businesses with all kinds of immigration issues.
I've worked with the Romanovsky Law firm for almost 8 years now, and I've worked on my work visa, on my student visa, green card, and now citizenship. And we've also used their service to help my mother's and my brother's green card applications.
My name is Joseph Charles, owner of Rock City Pizza here in Alston. We have another location in Randolph, Massachusetts, and I've worked with Romanovsky Law offices since 2014. Started off with filing my temporary protective status as a young man, and all the way up to me receiving my citizenship.
They helped me to bring my US passport back after the immigration take my passport from me. I asked almost 25 lawyers all around the USA. Nobody even tried to start with my case because they think it's a losing case. You're not gonna win this case. Until I found Greg and his team.
My case was tricky and complex as I was placed in removal proceedings, and I knew it wouldn't be an easy process.
My name is Richard Marvin Thompson. I was represented by Romanovsky during my immigration detention. My case is one of the hardest cases that you could come across in immigration.
I found this law office online back in 2018. Since the day one, Greg and his team were great to work with.
It was very smooth and easy process, and I was able to trust that everything's going to be done in the most perfect way because they're very thorough and always on top of everything, so they made it very easy.
He is the best immigration lawyer. He helped me get my U.S. citizenship.
He's competent, he's knowledgeable, he's honest. I have no other words to say anything less about him.
He helped me with something else after they took my passport. When I go to renew my license, they say we cannot renew it to you. I called Mr. Greg. He came with me in Boston, RMV, and he bring me my ID also, and he approved. He fight for me in every single government place.
I love several things about working with Romanovsky Law offices. They're super professional, always attentive. You can always count on Greg or Olivia to call you back, and they're super creative, right? Found different ways to navigate through my complicated cases. I mean, I probably have one of the most complicated cases you can find, and a lot of attorneys, closed the door on me and wouldn't take on the challenge. But like I said, I've been working with Greg since 2014. Never stopped fighting for me.
Like the 25 lawyers, they all told me, you're gonna lose this. It's impossible to win this case.
Since day one, Greg was greatly generous and honest with us. There wasn't a day where we would feel abandoned.
The best thing I like about him is he is reachable. He can, you send him an email, he'll respond. You call him, he'll respond.
I work with 500 clients in my job every single year. I have never seen quick response like this office and these people. I cannot do this. I don't know how you do it.
I have worked with other lawyers before, but I don't know anyone who will be so responsive and so on top of everything.
It was just awesome work, man, and because I was actually locked up for 3 years and a half, and when he finally took the case, I felt a bit more of a relief, which was awesome for me to even. I can't believe I'm even right here, still in the U.S. amongst my family and my kids.
I remember when I had the interview, he told me, "Don't worry, don't be nervous, I'm with you." That made me feel so calm and so focused.
I've been in very, very hard, stressful. Every single time I email him, like in the middle of the night, he responds after 10 minutes. Like he was like my meditation. Like when I want to breathe, I just email him. After 10 minutes, he responds to me right away. I feel like, oh, now I can't sleep.
I work at the Agritown Public School as the general music teacher, and I have been teaching music for quite a long time. Today, more than 400 students can have me as their music teacher because we succeed in my case.
I just came from my ceremony, just got my certificate, and super excited that it finally came after 8 years, and we're there now.
Greg is an extraordinary lawyer with vast amount of experience, and he will be able to solve almost any case.
I very much like working with him because he's the best.
He is the best out there, and I must assure you, he is the best.
Thank you for for helping me get a second chance and getting me through one of the hardest times in my life and helping me to get home.
I wish my words could be enough or at least close to the thank you that you guys deserve. So I composed a song for you. This is for you, my heroes.
No, I really thank you guys for everything. It was a pleasure to work with you guys, and you guys are the best.
Him and his team are the best, 100% recommended.
For me, it's not just a victory. My dream of becoming an official music teacher in Massachusetts came true.
Awesome job, Greg and your team. We love you.
We have helped thousands of people realize their immigration dreams. Let us help you with yours.